Okay, so we have created our invoice. We had our credit memos come back. Now I want to show you a couple of reports in our report center that have to do with your invoicing. So we're going to come over to our report center. Now in your report center, you remember we saw some of those when it came to our inventory and our items and our services and our products and how we can look those up. Well, that same thing applies here. So if we scroll down, we've got lots of information that helps us with who owes you. Now, a good one, you can always do an accounts receivable aging and accounts receivable aging summary, but I really like to look at the collection report. Now, this collection report will give you anyone that's overdue. And it gives you some really great information. You can see here, I've got their telephone number here. I've got the invoice. I've got the amount. So it's very easy for me to call everyone to get my collections going. Now, another report that is a really nice report to look at is an open invoice report. Now, this open invoice report is a good check to make sure that you're doing everything correctly with your accounts. If you look at your open invoices, they should be just everything that's open. Now, if you do have anything that has been applied out there and not applied correctly as far as a payment, you will see that payment on this report and the invoice. So you do need to fix that in this system by going in and voiding that payment out and then going back and applying it to the correct invoice. So you can see that there. Now, one other report that's very helpful, you can take a look at them. You can run those reports. You can always go into this sample file. I gave you that address earlier. You're going to get that again whenever we get the test questions at the end for you to practice with. They're really not graded. They're just for your practice. A sales by customer summary will show you everything that has come in as far as invoices and sales receipts. So this is a nice one to take a look at, and you can see here's the beautiful design studios, the $375 that we built them. So that's a nice report to see everything by customer and what they have spent. Those are the reports that really are the ones that you're going to be going to. Those are your go-to reports for your accounts receivable and for all of your sales.